Wherever you are, whatever you're doing, Dassault Systèmes is there with you.
Hello and a very warm welcome to all of you watching us from around the world. Thank you for joining us today for this special broadcast by Dassault Systèmes featuring an exciting announcement. As you may well know, wherever you are, whatever you do for a living, Dassault Systèmes is present all around you. Today, we will be entering a fascinating world of possibilities, bringing the real, natural world and the virtual universes together. I have the pleasure of being here today with Victoire de Margerie, Vice President Corporate Marketing, Branding and Communications for Dassault Systèmes. Victoire, it's really great to see you.
Hello, Louise.
We've just seen a film about Dassault Systèmes. Can you tell us how the ambition of the company translates into very concrete commitments to face some of the world's major challenges?
Absolutely. As you saw in this video, virtualization can contribute to many aspects of our lives. And this is what we want to show today. It's how it can also contribute to address humanity key issues. Earlier this year, we have launched our communication campaign, The Only Progress is Human. Because at Dassault Systèmes, we consider all challenges to be human challenges. The idea is to bring concrete answers to 10 challenges of humanity for which we know that a virtual universe can improve real worlds. Last February, we've tackled the topic of emotion, which show how we can amplify emotions through virtual worlds. And there are many more challenges to come, you will see. And today, on the World Climate Day, we are here to launch the second act of our communication campaign, focusing on water and consumption.
Why did you want to mix these two topics?
Because it's logical. Water is a vital element and the main component of the human body, a necessity for all of us. So, water is also key since it regulates our climate, but water is overused in our everyday consumption, production, transportation. Improved water management is a vital emergency for sustainable development. That is why we are here to address those two topics together today. But I won't go too much into details because I know we have several special guests to discuss that.
Thank you so much, Victoire, for being with us. I suggest that we now dive into the subject to understand what is being planned around the theme of water. I will leave the stage to Bernard Charlès, Vice Chairman and CEO of Dassault Systèmes, who is to be joined by a very special guest, a world-famous explorer committed to revealing the beauty of our world. We will reconvene in just a few minutes. I will see you a little bit later.
Hi guys, for 30 years I traveled to the most extreme places on this planet and experienced all the weather systems in this world.
For 40 years, we have been providing virtual worlds to extend and improve the real world.
I was here 15 years ago and the ice floe measured 3 meters thick. Today, it only measures 8 centimeters.
Human consumption has a direct impact on water. Therefore, our next challenge is to preserve the water patrimony. How? Using virtual universes.
Can you imagine the world without water? Water we cannot consume, and that water that cannot give life.
We imagine sustainable innovation for business and people, with solutions for today and tomorrow, for our planet, and ultimately, humankind.
Water is life, and it's crucial to take care of the planet and its natural resources. We one and the same.
Absolutely, water is life, and we should be caring more about the water patrimony.
I agree with that.
And I like the United Nations initiative, Water Action Decade for clean water.
And sanitation.
Absolutely.
But it will take more than the UN, NGOs, and political organizations to meet these goals. We need the big industrial players to take action.
Water is always in movement.
Yes, water flows through the roots, through the tree trunks, out through the leaves. Water gives life.
Dassault Systèmes provides this virtual universe to simulate and analyze. So imagine we can understand the full water cycles.
And what about its consequences?
Watch. And for the next decade, Dassault Systèmes is going to focus and allocate resources, scientific resources, engineering resources, to really invent new solutions, to preserve the most important resource on this planet.
So how do you think you're going to do it?
The first one is to reduce the footprint. The footprint is about how much water is used to provide all the goods and services that we all have in our daily life. So industrial companies need to understand how much water they consume all along what we call the life cycle, end to end. Look at their T-shirt. Nobody has precise view about how much water is used to really do the coloring, the processes for textile.
What else can you do?
The second thing is called handprint. So footprint, you understood it.
Yeah.
Handprint is about creating a new open innovation process across the world. We are opening our 3D Experience Lab. It's a virtual platform that helps connect innovators, startups, people with new ideas to connect together and find out new solutions to transform the processes in the so many industries that need to reduce their water consumption.
So we're basically gonna reinvent our lives and get this knowledge. Knowledge is power, and to be able to conserve the water resources for the new generation or for the future generation, you're gonna use education.
Absolutely, and that's the third point, Mike, exactly. Education is an important factor. That's why we are a founder member of Mission Océan from la Fondation Dassault Systèmes to really open up and provide this new kind of curricula to the kids throughout the school system.
This is what we need to change the world.
Save the water and improve the way we consume. And you know, Mike, in life there is no rehearsal. At Dassault Systèmes, we can model all type of experience of the real world. And water is the blood system of our planet.
And this will allow the industry to help the United Nations' new Sustainable Decade Goals.
Absolutely, and even more, by bringing together people and businesses, scientists and engineers, we can find new solutions to this tremendous challenge.
Well, that's amazing. The start is that we have to be conscious on how we consume. This challenge concerns all of us, and each individual can act. Bernard, we trust you.
You can trust Dassault Systèmes.
And you can start by sharing this video.
Indeed, we must walk the talk. At Dassault Systèmes, we harmonize product, nature, and life. This engagement opens a new horizon as water is life.
The only progress is human. Dassault Systèmes.
What great commitments and ideas. So to discuss what we've just heard and imagine how this will unfold and can benefit our world, I'm very happy to be joined today by Alice Steenland, Chief Sustainability Officer Dassault Systèmes, Marie-Pierre Aulas, General Manager of La Fondation Dassault Systèmes, and our special guest from Ocean Hub, a key partner of the 3D Experience Lab. So, thank you very much for joining us today. Alice, we're going to start with you. We know that institutions and NGOs cannot be the only ones to address water challenges. We also need the involvement of private sectors and industrials to commit to global change. Can you tell us in what way your commitments can help industrials better preserve water and its consumption?
Yes, great question, Louise. We're really excited because we're working right now on offering all of our customers, industrials, universities, everyone who uses our products, the ability to see, no matter what they're building in the platform, if it's a product, if it's a new industrial process, whatever they're trying to imagine, to let them see at every step of the process what their impact is on water. And that, we hope, will enable them to do exactly what we mean when we talk about sustainable innovation, which is they can make choices that will optimize and reduce their impact on the environment at every stage of the process.
Could you tell us how this could ultimately impact people in their everyday lives?
Yeah, I think the impact could really be very substantial, because if you think about the fact that by 2030 we're already expecting to have a 40% shortfall in the availability of fresh water, this issue is becoming more and more urgent. And so the faster we can get the right tools into the hands of our customers, the faster we will help them to transform that massive environmental problem.
I understand what you will provide to industrials will be broader than just solutions for water. Can you maybe tell us a little bit more?
Yes, we're very excited because it's actually a full environmental footprint that we're working on. So obviously water issues are exacerbated by climate change. Climate change is directly linked to CO2 emissions and other emissions that are very toxic for our environment. So what we're trying to do with this footprinting approach is to show people when they're using our solutions, what their impact is on water, what their impact is on CO2, what their impact is on other greenhouse gases, and a wide range of environmental indicators. And that we are hoping will really transform the way industry is done today.
Well, thank you so much for being with us, Charlès. We truly look forward to hearing more about this in the years to come. It's essential for industrials to change, but it's also key to support innovators that are imagining solutions to preserve our precious resources in water. Dassault Systèmes 3D Experience Lab selects the most disruptive technological projects and supports them in their industrial development. Water challenges are a top priority. And when it comes to water and oceans, everything is connected, interdependent. It's crucial to design concrete solutions. That is what Ocean Hub Africa is working on. Let's hear from them.
Hi, my name is Alexis Groskopf, and I'm the CEO and co-founder of Ocean Hub Africa, an African-based ocean impact accelerator. We deliver product development and business development services to ocean-minded entrepreneurs that have innovative tech-enabled businesses that can help by delivering their product or services to mitigate some of the major challenges that the oceans are facing today and reshape interactions between people and oceans to grow the blue economy, the sustainable ocean economy. Together with Dassault Systèmes 3D Experience Lab, we provide services that allow entrepreneurs to save time and money and become more efficient in delivering their positive impact in the oceans and on the ocean economy.
In addition to industrials and innovators, future generations should be better prepared to take into account water issues. And this is what La Fondation Dassault Systèmes is committing to, notably through the project called Mission Ocean. And we have Marie-Pierre with us. Marie-Pierre, can you tell us what the main objectives of this initiative are?
La Fondation Dassault Systèmes is a non-profit foundation that aims to support the transformation of education and research thanks to the virtual universities and 3D. Ocean is the main regulator of the climate. Knowing them, protecting them, is a huge challenge for our society. Therefore, we have decided to place the ocean at the heart of an educational program, Mission Ocean. First, we will enhance the relevant skill for student engineering school. Whatever the industry they will work in, they will have the power to make it more sustainable. For example, our foundation in India is supporting the Wild Shang College of Engineering to create a waste collection system for lakes and rivers. Other example, our Dassault Systèmes US Foundation is supporting Olin College and Monterey Bay Aquarium Research Institute to create an underwater, deep-sea underwater robot with real-time VR tool to explore and document one of the most remote places of our planet. But most important, we will nurture vocation amongst young people to become scientists and innovators. That's why we have set up a partnership with the French Ministry of Education and IFREMER, our French Center for Ocean Science. And all together, we are co-creating 3D pedagogical content.
And can you tell us what is different or maybe unique about this project?
Mission Ocean is a unique project because for the first time ever, an educational program brings together teachers, experts in education, engineers, researchers, manufacturers, at the service of the ocean. But above all, Mission Ocean is addressing the whole academic audience, children, teenagers, to the high school students.
What will be the main milestones of this ambitious mission?
Well, right now we are co-creating 3D pedagogical content in mathematics, physics, chemistry, engineering, life science, geography, and even in history. It will be distributed in school in France, then translated and broadly distributed in other countries.
Thanks so much, Marie-Pierre. Very inspiring.
Thank you, Louise.
Today's special focus on water is coming to an end. We look forward to discovering Dassault Systèmes' next act and set of commitments for our world. Until then, let's all work together towards transforming our wildest dreams and ambitions into concrete actions. Thank you all for joining us today. Stay tuned, and for me, it's bye for now.